It's a beautiful morning for it, Mike.
Yeah.
Beautiful morning to be tied up together because my bloody anchor's disappeared after the anchor reel's jammed up. Beautiful day to be on the drift on one anchor. Hey look, a man of action. We're bang on the mark. Bollocks, innit, eh? Have you got fish? Bugger. There's quite a strong flow of tide, so no point paddling against it, knackering ourselves just to go back. Nice day for a paddle. Not really how I intended finishing the year, and how I'm supposed to tell if I get a fish or not, I don't know. Probably drifting at about a mile an hour. So it's tempting to try and paddle back, but I can't be bothered really. That's where I want to be. And this is where we are. Well, there's more than one way to skin a cat or a cod. Not that we're going to catch anything. But who the hell wants to go home?
I dropped my bloody sea kayak once. Dropped the sea kayak about hip height. I'd only had it about a week. I was like, no! You know, I've been so treated so gingerly, you know. Yeah. I was like, no! Damn it. Is that mod glass? Yeah. Yeah, it's criminal not to be fishing at the sea like this after what we've had, isn't it? HMS Exmoor. Alright. That's too far out. I think about 12 miles. Right. But not for any particular reason, except it was the first wreck I positively identified up here. Alright. But I thought it was a hell of a lot closer. Right.
Well, sorry about that, Mike. Yeah. Happy New Year for tomorrow, anyway.
Happy New Year.
And so ends 2011. On a high. Fucking blanked. Lost an anchor. Blank. Lost the fucking reef. Oh, cheers, mate.